We're on the way to the hospital. Someone fell down the stairs again, which is weird because almost to the day a year ago she fell down the stairs as well. So I don't know if this is gonna be an annual thing. I hope not.
Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. And turn on the notification bell right there. Hi, welcome to our vlog.
Okay, so what are we doing today?
Playing Barbie.
Okay, so let's get to it. You gotta give us a tour. Give us a tour.
Okay, so this is the downstairs.
Yeah.
This is the kitchen with no table since the table's broken.
Who broke the table?
No, we was pretending. We was pretending one of the pieces got lashed. Yeah, but it did in the car. Yeah, and then the living room.
Okay.
And the glass and the horsey stable.
Mm-hmm.
And the upstairs, a balcony with an elevator.
Where's the elevator?
Right here, and if you land here, you just lose you.
Okay.
And this is the baby bundle and the pet play. And this is the item station. This is the...
You mean the laundry room? Nothing's a laundry room.
Yeah. And this is the bathroom. This is the third floor with the baby crib and one of the baby's toys, and then that's it. And you go up the stairs to the Barbie room with a balcony and this chair.
A rocking chair.
Yeah, rocking chair and a window and a bed and
Okay, so where are the other Barbies?
we're in the house.
What house?
That's the house.
So who are those two?
These?
Yeah.
They are sisters.
They're sisters?
Yeah.
Okay, where are the other Barbies?
They are twins. They are twins.
Yeah.
They are sisters. She's a sisters with them, but she got to sleep over with the cousins.
Mm-hmm.
And then we had another Barbie, but it's somewhere. What was other Barbie?
What's over there?
He's at space.
Well, she's where?
He's at space in her spaceship.
Okay. And that's all the Barbies.
Yeah. And one of the Barbies are somewhere. What Barbie? The Barbie that's her sister.
Okay. We're heading to New York. We're in the car. Excuse the low energy. It's early, tired. Probably got like 4 hours of sleep. Yes. So go to Starbucks, get some gas for the body. Then got the gas station, get some gas. Crystal. And if you're probably wondering who's Crystal, Crystal is the car. And then
is it foggy outside?
Wipe on that. It's cloudy. Extremely cloudy outside.
It's not too, but it's definitely. I was like, I wonder if something wrong with my glasses. But I cleaned it.
Man, what I've been telling you that since I got up outside look partly cloudy.
It is very cloudy. What are you talking about? There's no sky, but I'm talking about the fog, not the cloud.
Wipe on that. I'm talking about being
being
cloudy.
Ignorant. How old are you?
35.
Okay, just cut that out.
Well, yeah.
So the plan for today.
Okay, the plan for today is to drop Lace at work, pop over to Seaton Logan, pick up yourself, and my body. My body take you away. Don't take no sweetie from the body.
Oh, you think I should wear this thing? I should, right? You want something in there?
So you didn't get something for yourself?
But sometimes you don't want nothing. Sometimes we'll go to Starbucks and you say no.
I don't drink nothing, you know, nothing for a morning, bro. Bro,
Okay.
G.
Oh, let me bring my
money.
My money.
Oh, I forgot to put this in the fridge. In my pocket. Come on foreign, come get weak, so.
Why is that in your pocket?
Maybe I take flown
Put it
is.
here. And you have to remember to take it out.
Keep it. That's why I want to keep it in my pocket. That way we can't remember.
Yeah, but no, you crack it. That's why.
Yes, man. So yeah, plan for today. Job place here. I work. Pop over to the apartment. It's been a while since I've gone over there to check on things, see if everything alright. Come back. But no, I gotta stop over Granny in the Bronx. Pick up a few items. Granny sometimes bring some stuff for you. You know Granny stay, you know grandmom stay, isn't it? So we're gonna do that. Last few game weeks in EPL. Big EPL fan since the season, by the way. So watch a couple of the games while I'm doing that. Finish some editing that I'm working on. And yeah. Oh, have a daughter's their other date later today. Girls want to go get ice cream, so I'm gonna do that. It's a nice little ice cream shop just down the road from where we live, and you know it's good. I'm not like a really super big fan of ice cream and stuff like that, but it's good. So I'm gonna take them to that, and then pick up Lacey tonight at the train station, and that pretty much sums up what today's gonna look like. I'm probably just gonna bring you guys along for like a day in the life with Dre or whatever, you know, so you can see what a typical working weekend looks like.
Like, that was the worst Starbucks service I've ever had.
For this one, right? Like in general.
In general, I've never felt disrespected. I felt like, oh, they watered that juice down. That wasn't very good. But I've never felt disrespected until that one just now.
I mean, we've always had good experiences.
That's because we go through the drive-thru. That's what I think.
Well, maybe we're drive-thru
and they don't know who they're serving, and then, you know.
Maybe they don't know, like they don't see us.
Yeah. Duh.
They see us when we pull up at the window.
Yeah, but by that time they're already making our stuff.
Okay.
Like, I'm telling you, ever since I walked in there, they've been giving me bad vibe.
Alright, going forward, we won't give them any tip anymore.
Yeah, I'm so mad I gave a tip. They are messing up the order and being mad at me. Can you believe that?
Yo, told Max I'm can't tell them about them, mother.
No.
You know I do that. Yo, man, tell them allergy I've messed with my eyes, bro.
Yeah, you're having a really bad. Araya and Avery seem to be having a bad time too. Just don't forget to give them their flowers.
Oh my god. Taste this. Bitter and fresh.
They didn't put the caramel in there.
Yeah,
Vanilla in there.
The vanilla, I'm gonna taste it. You know, it's not like this is just, what the hell is this?
Yeah, there's nothing in there actually. I don't even taste the lavender. It tastes like water.
This just tastes like water coffee, exactly. It's like
yeah, like
coffee.
Black coffee. As I said, the worst Starbucks service ever.
This is why your phone always upon dull, so bruh.
Have a bad attitude and don't make the stuff right. You know, I always say, like, if you have a bad attitude, you better know how to do your job.
Yeah,
but if you don't know how to do your job and you have a bad attitude, it's just a bad combination. You shouldn't be working in customer service at all.
Nasty, bro. Alright, so I suck at vlogging. Should have probably vlogged me getting ready and coming here. At this work event, it's like an all-you-can-eat food buffet called Men Who Can Cook. And I'm telling you, it's crazy. It's a lot of food. You know, which is funny, I said I was going to start, you know, my Get Fit workout routine. And first weekend, I'm at a all-you-can-eat buffet. Alright, so as I was saying, at this event called Men Who Cook, somewhere in Connecticut. Worst weekend to plan to start diet and exercise, right? So it's an all-you-can-eat buffet type situation and drink. different foods from like all over the states, international and all that. So I'm about to dig in some food right now. We'll start our exercise and dieting next weekend or Monday. Yeah, Monday. Alright, so I'm just stuff my belly, 2 trips. Yeah, I'm saying just stuff my belly. We do 2 trips a while ago. And you know, you come on them all you can eat buffet thing and things say, yeah man. And then I'm till you're sick after 2. After 2 tries we're done, bro. Done. So we just walk and look for some of the table and see what they're about. Yeah, but the time I already went to my yard and I'm leaving a light here. Belly full. Yeah, time I won't go sleep, you know. Today's a work from home day for me. Me and the missus have a little challenge going on. I have a few addictions that you know, in all honesty, I need to get rid of. So basically she said that anytime I feel like, you know, picking up PS5, playing some FIFA, I should go work out. Or anytime I feel like going watching some anime, I should go work out. Well, the reason for that is really to help me because I've been struggling with my weight. As you guys can see, there's a whole lot more of me going around these days. Yeah. So it's time to really get serious and try to drop some of this weight. So again, we're starting with another day 1, but I intend to stick to it this time. Consistency. That's what I'm aiming for more than anything else. So I'm about to start this workout, but I just wanted to show you guys something, right? Now, the reason why I'm even showing you guys this is because I grew up in Portmore. I'm a scheme dude through and through, right? So trees, not so much, right? So this, I don't know, I just find something just very peaceful and tranquil about all of these trees, and it's just, I don't know, there's something different, right? And I own trees. Would have thunk it, right? So this is just the view or the tranquilness of a home, bro. I'm not even gonna lie. I just love this purple tree here. I have no idea what it is or the name of this tree is, but if you guys know, please let me know. But yeah, this is home, and like across the road there's a river that runs right there. Oh, yeah.
Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're giving me wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, but I don't wanna jinx it, baby. Let's not get ahead of my time. Oh, but I don't wanna miss you, baby. So I stand up and speak my mind. Oh. appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're gentle and wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, 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 oh,
So yeah, we're on the way to the hospital. Someone fell down the stairs again, which is weird because almost to the day a year ago she fell down the stairs as well. So I don't know if this is gonna be an annual thing. I hope not.
You act like I wanted to fall down the stairs.
But yeah, so we're heading to
At
New
least
York.
it's not my hip and I can sit. It's just my foot.
Yeah, so we're heading to New York right now.
And I didn't fall down the stairs.
Babe, you landed on your
I didn't fall down the stairs. I missed a step.
and fell off the
And
stairs.
I fell on my hands, and then I sat down because the pain was so excruciating that I couldn't even get up.
Okay, you fell off the stairs.
Yeah, I fell off the stairs.
Yes.
That's more dignified.
Dignified. Got it. So we're heading to the emergency room right now.
We have
A year ago when she fell down and I went to the ER, we saw people just there in the lobby with pillows and blankets, like not just
like they
waiting.
were camping out.
Yeah,
that
like,
was
no.
crazy.
So we have a preferred hospital in New York that it is a little bit better.
A little
At
bit.
the ER or whatever.
It's 1,000% better.
You know, the last time was on, I remember a lengthy wait the last time. Whatever.
No, it wasn't a lengthy wait. You think so?
I think I remember that. But I'm not gonna lie, like it hasn't been like it wasn't until I had a wife and kids that I started making regular trips to the hospital. Like just between Avery and Lacey, we make at least 2 to 3 trips to the ER every year. Just between the two of them. I'm not even gonna lie.
Okay, I feel like it was more when Avery had her asthma attack. It
Yeah.
was at least 4 times a year.
And then I remember New Year's Day, Avery decided to shoot something on her nose.
Oh, remember that?
So like 1 a.m.
Up her
the first of January, we was in
Was
the ER.
New Year's.
Yes, sitting down with this girl with some stuff stuck up her nose.
Yeah.
I'm telling you, bro, like nobody tells you that when you get a wife and a kid, you're gonna be visiting the ER regularly. I think there should be a manual. I think I'm gonna write a manual. What to expect when married with kids.
I feel like you're a bit dramatic.
I'm just saying. I should probably title it "With Kids and Wife."
Listen, at least I'm laughing and not crying because my foot hurts so bad. But if literally I put it in this weird position and don't move it, it's less uncomfortable, although it hurts. That should be a good sign, right?
Yeah, I guess. I mean, I don't know nothing about broken bones. Not powered. I've never received the
Well,
one.
when I broke
I lied.
my
Actually, I did break this finger in cricket training once.
it still looks broken.
Yeah, because they just kind of put it back in, and then I just went along with the training.
Your life. Listen, I broke my toe once, and that was very painful.
Yeah.
But I did find that it once like over time, like the broken toe, it didn't hurt as much when I was waiting in the ED.
Yeah.
But then I also took pain medicine today, so that could help. But it's not as bad. It wasn't as bad as we went out. Like I put the ice on it and everything I was supposed to do. I took some pain medication. I had it elevated, although that was very painful. Having it elevated did not seem to help.
I do have a question though. Like if you was to compare it to giving birth.
Oh, I don't even remember how that was. I don't even think for Avery that I was in any kind of uncomfortable pain.
But you were screaming so much.
That was with Araya when
you don't remember that pain?
They gave me the epidural. They didn't give me the epidural because that crazy nurse was talking about I wasn't dilated. But no, I don't recall that.
I recall it vividly.
No,
Vividly. I recall your pain vividly and the pain of whomever was in the next room.
Oh, that lady was in a lot of pain.
That they were torturing the hell out of that lady. She had some information that they needed, and they were just doing all kind of evil, torturous stuff to her.
You're so dramatic.
Babe, that lady was screaming like
she's having a baby.
I never want to go back into that delivery space area ever again, bro.
You don't know, maybe she had the same nurse I had who told her she's not dilated and then didn't give her didn't call for the epidural, and then she probably ended up having the same problem, like the baby was just coming right out and now it was too late for the epidural.
You know what, I don't feel like I'm being overly dramatic. You need to remember I was in the military, and I don't think that compared to the screams, the horror I witnessed and endured that night, man. I saw things that I cannot unsee ever.
You're annoying.
I'm just saying.
I can't with you.
But that happened. But even before all of this falling off the stairs happened, I was already annoyed because just with the guys that came over to cut the grass.
Lawn, they didn't do that.
Yeah, it's the worst.
It
like
terrible.
It's the best my grass have looked. The grass have looked.
The health of the grass looks good.
The health.
But even the guy who was lazy, the one before this that
never
we
cut
had,
it so poor.
He was not bad. Like he would go over it if he saw that it wasn't done good. Then I don't know.
You see me? And the thing that even bothers me more is that I knew the grass shouldn't have been cut today. That I went out there this morning and the lawn was just saturated. It was completely soaked, right? Like we live in the boonies, and like the night dew, boonies, the sticks, whatever you want to call it. The night dew come like a rain on the grass. So we have a lot of it. So there's a lot of moisture, a lot of wetness out there. Because I went out there early this morning to take up the
stick a pin. Did you see any paw prints from the bear?
Yes, I wasn't looking.
Oh, because I would think like because the grass was that way, maybe he left paw prints.
Yeah, more likely.
We have a baby bear that comes to our backyard.
Everybody says it's a baby bear.
It's a baby bear. He's small. The camera last night, because the light downstairs was on, you could see him much better. He's definitely a baby.
Here's my thing. I have no reference in terms of what is an adult or what is a kid bear.
I sent you a video.
Yeah, because
He's like a teenager.
My only reference is Puss and Dog. So I'm comparing the size of him to the Puss and Dog them with me.
Insert bear here.
Them big, right? You see the bear, right?
He's not an adult.
But I don't know. I didn't see it when I was out there this morning. I probably won't see it now because they cut the grass. So whatever impressions would have probably gone. I know.
Yeah.
But yeah, I knew that this grass should not have been cut. It was too wet. Too wet, too high. And so, like I said, it's the healthiest the grass has looked.
Yeah, it looks really lush.
You know? But just
that cutting though,
I just can't. It's like me when I'm trying to find a good barber. It takes a while to find that one. And I mean, I would never cut my hair, as I said before, my own hair. But I think I have researched this whole lawn care extensively, and I know a decent amount to take care of the lawn myself, and I'm still learning. Like, I know that, you know, different time of season, you do different type of things, you know, when to seed, when not to seed,
when to cut, when not
when
to
cut, when not to cut, when to bag your clippings and when not to. You understand? I also thought that for the first cut, he should have bagged it because there was a lot of weed.
Why didn't you tell him this? I thought you were gonna. You're telling me in the house, and I thought you went to tell him.
That's just the thing, because I didn't want to come off as the overbearing, micromanaging type of client.
Okay, you should have looked what he's doing, right? If he wasn't doing what you wanted to be done, you should have asked for it. At the end of the day, it's not for free that they're doing it. So you should have said, hey, I was wondering, can you just bag the clippings for today? Or can you go a little bit lower on the cutting or something like that? Or let's skip the cutting today. I don't think that we should be cutting the lawn. But you didn't. I feel like when you're paying your money, you should at least be able to be, you know, you can be polite with them.
Which is why I'm annoyed. I'm not so much annoyed with him, because at the end of the day, that's probably the best he can do. I didn't do the best that I could do, right? And
that's the best he could do.
And, you know, that's why I'm annoyed, because, you know, when you know better, you feel to do better, right?
When they came the first time, they did a really good job.
They didn't cut anything the first time, and the grass didn't start growing yet.
I thought they did cut it.
Babe, the grass didn't start growing yet. Remember, we were just coming out of the winter. All I did was a spring cleanup. So the grass was...
I saw him with a lawnmower, and it messed up the whole hill part of it.
Yeah, but no, because he raked away the moss. He was doing like a little bit of detaching, but there was no real cut that went on.
No.
I see him coming by, but you can't just get back on a mind. Calm down, yes. Jesus.
What about chicken? Spicy chicken or something like that. Anyways, we'll see you at the hospital. Hopefully the foot ankle place is not broken. And we can live to see another day.
It was fun because I took today off.
Isn't it? And tomorrow 3 people are on the schedule, which I did not know about. So that's also what a relief, because who would have thunk it? Okay.
Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. And turn on the notification bell right there.